Assalamu alaikum students, your social studies teacher Mrs. Mazera here. Today we are going to learn about the topic agriculture in Pakistan and the subtopic is land distribution. As we all know, Pakistan is an agricultural country and almost 75% of population of Pakistan depends in some way on farming for their living, directly or indirectly. Agriculture also provides us food for the farming families, work animals from the farm, food for the farm animals, food for the other people in Pakistan, food to sell to other countries, raw material for industries in Pakistan that make goods to sell in Pakistan, raw materials for industries in Pakistan, raw material for industries in other countries as well. Agriculture plays a very vital role for the economy of Pakistan and its development. 48% of labor force is engaged directly with agriculture. It is the main source of living or income of the major part of economy population. Punjab and Sindh are the most favorable lands for growing crops. The cultivated area is only 35% of the total land area of the country. Land distribution. In Pakistan, the land is distributed in forest, deserts, farmlands, wastelands, and herb and shrubs. Forest. First of all, we will learn about the forest. Actually, forests are the huge or a large area of land denominated by the trees. Or we can say forests are the large tract of trees. So, what are the importance of forest? Forests are provide us many things. Forests provide habitat for a vast collection of plants and animals, many of which are still undiscovered. They protect our watershed. You can see the forest. Importance of forest. Forests are a breath of fresh air. They provide us oxygen gas and inhale carbon dioxide. They can make an equilibrium to the ecosystem. They are home, sweet home for many living organisms. They keep environment cool. They are also known as the lungs of the earth. They help in the fight against climatical change. You can see in the picture there are some uses of the forest, some importance of the forest. Erosion control. The roots of the trees can control the erosion. They can provide us timber for making furniture. They are also used as fuel wood. They are also environmental protection. They are also used as a habitat for animals. These are used for the grazing purpose too. There are some more importance of or the benefits of forest. Now, deforestation. Deforestation is a process Now, deforestation. Deforestation is a process in which the large tract of trees can be cut or can be cleared. Reckless cutting of trees for firewood or any other commercial purposes can result in deforestation. The effect of this are extremely harmful and can result in degeneration and destruction of our environment and loss of food and resources. You can see the condition of deforestation. Many trees can be cut. Causes of deforestation. Deforestation causes can either be direct or indirect. Among direct causes are natural causes, or as hurricane, fires, parasite and floods, as well as some human activities are also supposed to be a cause of deforestation. For example, agricultural expansion, cattle breeding, timber extraction, mining, oil extraction, dam construction and infrastructure development. People are used to cut down the forest or to clear the forest for making residential areas. Loss of effects of deforestation. Loss of nutrient in the soil that are derived from breakdown of tree leaves. Increased soil erosion by wind and rain. Increased flooding due to the lack of water absorption by trees. Decreased ability to support other plants due to nutrient loss. Loss of habitat. Effects of deforestation you can see: increased atmospheric carbon dioxide, increased droughts, disruption of water cycle, increased flooding, increased wildfire, loss of biodiversity, loss of the habitat for the animals, and we have also more effects on the earth, on the climate, on the environment of the earth. How can we stop deforestation? We should plant more trees, use recycled products and then recycle them again. Raise awareness in your circle and your community. Support the product of companies that are committed to reducing deforestation. This is the picture you can see: planting more trees, saving wood fuel, using recycled products, or we can say using 3R rule: reduce, reuse and recycle. Farmland. Agricultural land is typically land devoted to agricultural, or particularly the rearing of livestock and production of crops. This is known as farmland. It is used to produce food for humans. It is thus generally synonym with both farmland or cropland. Farmland for growing crops forms about 35% of Pakistan's land area. Agriculture is the main occupation for the majority of Pakistan's population. Agricultural product, either raw materials such as cotton, rice and fruit, or goods made from them. Clothing, toweling, rugs, footwear and sport equipment make us about 85% of the total value of Pakistan's export. Over two-thirds of the population lives in the countryside, and almost half the workforce is employed in agriculture. Farmland is the fertile land. Most of Pakistan's farms are on the plains of Sindh and Punjab. In Pakistan, the most agricultural province is Punjab, where wheat and cotton are the most grown. Punjab is also known as the food basket of Pakistan. Punjab provides the food for whole country. You can see a beautiful scene of farmland. Scrubs. Scrubs can grow on its own. They are unstable, unsuitable for farming. They are used for grazing for cattle. Mostly in Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, there are scrubs. These are used for grazing the cattle. Wastelands. Wastelands refer to the barren areas or isolated pieces of land left idle without any cultivation or construction activity. Wastelands can be with or without any scrub. People living in the mountainous areas and deserts maintain in small orchards and farms to meet their food needs. You can see the land which is known as wasteland. These are not deserts, but somehow there were some reasons behind it how the land turns into wastelands. Now, task to do. Forests are the lungs of the earth. Do you agree with the statement? Justify your answer with strong reasons. People cut down the trees and clear the forest. Is it important to deforest the land for better lifestyle? Discuss the effects of deforestation. What steps should be taken to stop deforestation? You can read the book, take help from the book, or also you can take help from the internet, or you can use other resources for write down the answer.